Good day, friends. Doing a little recording today and just wanted to make a wee note to let you know I'm participating in CoCoVid. So keep your eyes on my channel for Sunday, August 2nd at 8 a.m. Pacific, 11 a.m. Eastern Time here in Canada. I'll be taking a deep dive into my method for teaching myself new crafts and skills in 15-minute sessions. What is CoCoVid, you might ask? CoCoVid is one of the largest publicly available free conventions occurring this summer. It's an online interactive event that's being put on by the members of Costube during the weekend that would have been Costume College. It's big, folks. Like, really big. Like, multiple platforms big. Not only will individual members like myself be uploading videos to our own channels, and folks, some channels are uploading multiple videos. I'm just boggled by this. Not only are we uploading videos to our channels, but there will also be live panel events. A virtual red carpet and Sunday Undies events on Instagram, a reform dress fashion show and virtual tea party. There's even a Discord server so you can hang out with other participants, and a badge collection game. I have a badge. It'll make sense if you watch my video on the Sunday. The beauty of this virtual convention, well, I said it's free, right? You don't have to register, you don't have to try and book a hotel and find a roommate to lower the cost. You don't have to shell out thousands of dollars for airfare. All you need to do is keep your eyes peeled on Instagram and YouTube. The creators and the admin team are putting together the schedule as I'm recording this, so watch the Costube Guide account on Instagram for more info as it becomes available. Oh wait! You say your Warcraft guild raids on the weekend? Never fear, my void-corrupted friend. CoCoVid is easier to find than Mancrick's wife, and that is saying something. You might miss some of the extra special sauce, but for the most part, the rest of the burger will still be here when you get back. Probably not a good metaphor. Let's just say that what happens on YouTube tends to stay on YouTube unless it's a live event, in which case you takes your chances. So you can probably catch anything you miss if you hurry. Though if your raid leader is Leroy Jenkins, I give you a 32.33 repeating, of course, percentage of survival. Otherwise, you can watch whenever you're available. There's a lot. Like, over 100 videos at last count. I think closing in on 130. That's a lot of Costube, folks. A lot. So I'll see you next Sunday, August 2nd at 8 a.m. Pacific, 11 Eastern, Canada times. Till then,